Every great harvest begins with land that others have forgotten.
Accurate measurements shape every successful farm.
Healthy soil is the foundation of healthy crops.
Every hectare is carefully planned before the first seed is planted.
Years of neglect disappear beneath modern machinery. Preparing the land takes patience long before planting begins. A level field improves every stage of cultivation.
Water control is essential for modern farming. Strong infrastructure protects every future harvest.
The land is finally ready for its first season of growth. Good drainage protects every future crop. Water must move with precision across every hectare. Modern agriculture depends on efficient transportation.
A level field creates uniform growing conditions. The continuous, steady rumble of diesel tractor engines dominates.
Deep cultivation unlocks the soil beneath the surface. Every seed deserves the best possible start. Healthy soil feeds healthy plants.
Carefully selected seeds determine tomorrow's harvest. Precision planting ensures every seed has room to thrive.
A new season has officially begun. Beneath the soil, thousands of seeds are beginning a new life. The first roots quietly search for water and nutrients. Every row is carefully monitored from the very beginning. The first signs of life appear across the landscape. Uniform growth is the result of careful preparation. Protecting young crops begins long before weeds take hold.
Healthy beginnings lead to stronger harvests. The soundscape includes the gentle rustling of leaves and stalks in a breeze.
The once empty land is rapidly turning green.
Balanced nutrition supports healthy early growth. The transformation has taken root across the entire farm. The young corn plants now establish themselves across the entire farm.
Healthy plants reveal the success of careful preparation.
Consistent moisture supports steady and uniform growth. Precision nutrition helps every plant reach its full potential. Every leaf becomes a living solar panel.
Healthy ecosystems create healthier harvests.
The abandoned landscape has become a sea of vibrant green.
Technology now sees what the human eye cannot. Each passing week brings the farm closer to harvest. The transformation is no longer imagined. It now stands tall across the landscape.
The young plants are now growing at an extraordinary pace.
Every measurement helps improve the harvest ahead.
Consistent water allows every plant to reach its full potential. Targeted nutrition fuels rapid vegetative growth.
Every leaf works tirelessly to build tomorrow's harvest. Nature itself becomes an important farming partner. Strong stems will soon carry the weight of a successful harvest. Modern technology helps farmers make smarter decisions every day. Using multispectral imaging, agricultural drones.
The abandoned land has become a thriving agricultural ecosystem.
The farm is now entering the stage that will determine its final yield.
The crop is entering the most critical stage of its development.
Pollination determines the success of every future ear. Perfect timing ensures strong kernel development, and here we see the signs of optimal silk emergence.
Consistent moisture protects the crop during pollination.
Each strand of silk connects to a future kernel. Careful monitoring protects the harvest until maturity. The energy captured by every leaf is now filling each ear with grain.
Science helps farmers harvest at exactly the right moment.
The landscape is slowly preparing for harvest. Months of careful work are about to be rewarded. After months of careful cultivation, harvest season has finally arrived.
Perfect timing protects both yield and quality.
Modern harvesting combines speed, precision, and efficiency. Every pass through the field gathers months of hard work.
The harvest moves quickly from field to storage. Proper drying protects every kernel after harvest.
Every load is inspected before entering storage.
Even after harvest, the land is prepared for the future.
Successful farming depends on every stage working together. The transformation is complete, but the cycle of farming never truly ends. A forgotten landscape has become a thriving source of food. Modern agriculture is built on planning, precision, and sustainability.
Every successful harvest prepares the land for another beginning.
Careful stewardship has transformed abandoned ground into productive farmland.
With knowledge, innovation, and respect for the land, even the most forgotten places can help feed generations to come.